Yes.
Is a good place. So it's support for that education. So maybe I say teams when it comes to educating these young players, because you got to pointless with no education, not an grade 7, so very swallow, so cooking and so much, so cooking, but not in grade 7.
Sure.
So how are we helping these children? Because I'm sure in our way, it's not a question.
Sure.
And they are actually great players. So maybe what strategy can you guys put into line to help? Yes, sponsoring is helping these children. So I think this is
now if you go uya dressing room uya coach nyalo team nayi cream yakho unayo yemidlalo so yahamba, let's say ithola opportunity siyodlala eSouth Africa ngiyabekisa. All those coaches that was in South Africa, they few labakhuluma isiZulu. So lo muntu utheni ugcina ka grade 7 understand Singisi sisithini, how is gonna coach that person? So it's very important when nale education na ukuthi kubukete lokuthi kuhamba kanjani. Development officer iba kuwe babe. Ngicela uyiphendule uyilobole.
Yes, it's a concern, another very critical. Maybe that some of the coaches are here bayakhona lokuthi beve because they are the bama model labantwana. Oho I mechanism la ifake in place. Sinayo le direct interest kule academic yalomntwana. So what we did so far this now the list is the periodization. The period in which labantwana badlala ngayo. Lokhu batodlala I grand closing nje namuhla. They last kicked the ball or played a match in August. Is it August or early September? That's when we said to them, now you guys, October, November, it's more of your prime time exam. So we ceased ongelama games. And we appreciate the sponsors. Noma ngabe peak season. Some of the sponsors that we have, ukanza ukuthi peak season yabo le. But we do have something in policy that during this time of a year, labantwana, let it be less of sports, more of a focus on academic. So that is why in general lokubodlala ngemgcibelo. They last kicked it before they started exam. So far that's the only mechanism that we have that speaks to us supporting labantwana. Then also the personnel lama clubs. We encourage lama clubs. Most of them, I think we've achieved. Most of them are teachers. Labantwana okanza ukuthi they are part of the teams, they are coaching the teams. We believe that if we can ride over that, they could help us preach the gospel, because labantwana nabahetwa ngitishela as much as abadlalisa, he also speaks to the academic. Otherwise we do face that. I think the most population learning it comes from the CBTs. Maning lama dropouts la ku CBT. Uve umntwana soyekele esikolwa, he focuses on education. So that is why nana nathi le activity yethu nalama activities yethu so waqala la CBT and decentralize them out. Because so fang logo. Otherwise, there is still more that needs to be done in terms of the academic part of Lomban. The parents themselves, I think now, but they have raised it. Those besa basafunze bafuna focus on the ball. So only empowerment, education, nale periodization. Logo if we have that on right, we believe logo will support them.